If you're the owner of a late model Japanese diesel, more than likely it'll have a DENSO common rail fuel system that should only be repaired by experts with the correct tools. DENSO have a dedicated network of trained diesel specialists in Australia, New Zealand and the Pacific Islands, with the know-how and the tools required to repair these types of vehicles. So Gavin, why should diesel drivers only choose DENSO remanufactured fuel pumps and injectors?
Well, Aaron, it's because they're the best. They're repaired to the highest quality standard and they're recoded to manufacturer specifications. We only use genuine DENSO product, which ensures that at the end of the day we get optimum performance, economy and meet the emission requirements of today.
Which are getting pretty stringent.
Very stringent and moving forward even more so.
Now Gavin, each injector has its own individual compensation code. What is it and why is it so important?
Aaron, a quality remanufactured DENSO injector has a compensation code on top of the injector here. When fitting the injectors to the vehicle, this is written or coded to the ECU via a scan tool. The code basically tells the engine ECU the individual characteristics of the fueling of the injector. As soon as it's being coded into the ECU then understands those characteristics and the engine can run in complete harmony.
Gavin, let's focus on the diesel fuel pump for a second. When changing one, why is it so important to perform a relearn?
The relearn is a function done through the diagnostic tool, and because the fuel pump has been changed out, you have a component in there, the suction control valve, which is a new component. The ECU needs to understand the current values that that suction control valve will need. So after relearning that, it can then regulate the pressure quite comfortably.
And so everything can kind of talk and get along?
Get along nicely.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. To find your closest DENSO service dealer, go to densоautoparts.com.au.